Hey, what's going on, gents? Mike here, back in the Shave Den. Welcome to Long Island Shaving, and thanks for joining me this afternoon for another unboxing. This time from Jason over at the Razor Company, who last week had reached out to me, sent me a message to say, hey, I have something I would like to send you. It's a new collaboration along with a razor. He mentioned something about a razor. I reached back out, of course, thanking him for that and asked to see if he would elaborate a little bit more. And he did not, so I guess he wanted me to be surprised when opening this. So I have a box here from the Razor Company, so thank you very much, Jason, for that. Really do appreciate it. But it's kind of like I'm in suspense. I have no idea what I'm about to unbox here, so thank you very much for that. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go ahead and open this box up. I do have the Rhino bar, which I use for every unboxing now. Actually was recommended to me by Carlos himself, and I've been using it honestly ever since I picked it up. So it's called the Rhino bar. You can get it on Amazon. It's an alternative to open up boxes. I even bought one for my son who's works at a supermarket. He's constantly opening boxes rather than carrying a razor blade. You can use this. So it's a great box opener. Let's go ahead and open up the seal here. So thank you again, Jason, for sending this out to me. I really do appreciate you considering me. That's really nice of you. Let's go ahead and pull this out here. The typical thank you from the Razor Company for letting us be part of your next shave, along with an invoice here. And I see a soap here. Pull this out. I think I saw a post on this recently, so let me pull this out. And it's Orange Country Darling Shave Soap. Scent notes of bitter orange, Clary Sage, Cashmere Wood. It's a collaboration between the Razor Company and a new artisan I'm not too familiar with, MMGP. So you can go to www.mmgp.shop. It's made in the UK. So this is a soap that's made in the UK. So let's go ahead and get my first initial impressions. There is the pour. Get that slight orange. So bitter orange, Clary Sage, and Cashmere Wood. Definitely has a little bit of woodsiness, which I really like. Cashmere Wood. Not too familiar with it, but I do like the scent a lot. Very nice. Let me put that aside. So that is Orange Country, which is a collaboration between the Razor Company and MMGP. Wonder if they're known by a different name other than that. I think that's it. MMGP, made in UK. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So this looks like it's a tallow-based shaving soap. Scent notes, bitter orange, Clary Sage, and Cashmere Wood. And it includes the ingredients. So very cool. I like the label a lot too. That's pretty cool. All right, so let's go ahead. I have here, he also included the matching splash. So let me go ahead and open that up. Thank you, Jason. I really do appreciate you thinking of me and sending this my way. It's very nice of you to do that. And I'm actually excited to try a new artisan too. That's always really cool. So there you go. There is the matching splash of Orange Country Darling. Let's go ahead and test this out actually right now. I did not shave today. I just received this package a little while ago. So I will probably shave with this tonight. So let's go ahead and open this for the first time. Apply a nice, actually, you know what? I'll apply it on because I'm not wearing any aftershave today. So let's go ahead and test this. Yeah, really nice and fresh, clean scent, but also woodsy. You do get that orange, they call here the bitter orange. Yeah, I guess you could say that. It's like a bitter orange, but it also has really nice woodsy base, which is the cashmere wood in the base. Really nice fragrance. I like this one. It's unique and it's different. I never actually had a scent like this, but I do like that it has that orange at the top with some woodsy cashmere wood in the base. Very nice. And the splash definitely dials it up a notch. All right, very nice. All right, let's see what else we got here. He also mentioned something about a razor he wanted me to try. Oh, wow. Goodfellas Smile Dominus. Really cool. Actually, I think I saw this on the website. It's a new razor that Goodfellas just released. It's the Dominus Built to Command. Look at the packaging on the back. It's made in Italy, of course. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Let's open up the box for the first time. Oh, this is really cool. Thank you, Jason. I think I may have seen this on the recent history of the razor company. Always click that recent history. I pretty much go there on a daily basis. Oh, really cool. Really nice looking razor. Look at that. It's got some heft to it. I'm not sure if this is stainless steel or not, or it's got the hole at the bottom here. Polished, really nice. Screw off the bottom. Well, I like how it's recessed, so the handle goes right into the bottom there. Man, that's like a mirror polish finish. Nice threading. There's the top cap, just so you can get an idea. Oh, this is really cool. Thank you, Jason. Wow. This is really nice of you to think of me to do this. So there's the top cap and bottom plate. Definitely going to be shaving with this with a Tatra Red. I actually received some Tatra Reds recently from Brett Hilton, good friend of the channel. So I'm going to use that for the first time in this razor. And I think I may actually shave with this tonight. The Orange Country Darling. See if I can get a little bit more information on this as far as... I'm going to go to the website, see if there's any details on exposure, blade gap that I can share with you. Just reading from the box here. I think it may be zinc alloy. Could be stainless steel, not sure. Really cool. It's called a Dominus. Wow. Thank you very much, Jason, for doing that. That was really nice of you. I definitely am looking forward to getting this in on an upcoming shave with this new collab that you sent me, which I've never tried this artisan before. So thank you very much. So I got the razor and the soap. Maybe use this for a thumbnail. There we go. Like Matthew Lawrence, he always uses that for, does a thumbnail during the course of the shave. With that, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing, man. That's very generous of you to do. I thank you very much, Jason. Do appreciate you, and I can't wait to get this in on the channel real soon. So with that, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and have a good one. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.